Crafting profitable and desirable decor from discarded materials embodies a fascinating intersection of profit and purpose, challenging creative minds to push the boundaries of traditional design by transforming what others perceive as waste into unique, high-value pieces. This pursuit not only fosters innovation and artistic expression, but also emphasizes the significant role of sustainability in contemporary craftsmanship. As the world grapples with environmental concerns and the consequences of consumer excess, the demand for items that reflect responsibility while serving aesthetic and functional purposes is increasingly vital. By focusing on how to identify overlooked resources, ranging from industrial offcuts to natural discards, and employing woodworking and finishing techniques, artisans can create truly distinctive, marketable designs that embody both profitability and positive impact. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of unique, marketable home decor pieces ideas by turning discarded materials. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The first step in this exciting journey involves recognizing the potential hidden within discarded materials. Industrial offcuts, often considered waste by manufacturers, can include remnants of plywood, hardwood, or even metal scraps. These materials are not only readily available, but often sourced at minimal cost or even for free. Building relationships with local furniture makers, construction sites, or manufacturing facilities can yield a treasure trove of materials that would otherwise be discarded. Similarly, natural discards such as fallen branches, old crates, or neglected wooden pallets offer another rich vein of resources. Exploring your environment while maintaining a keen eye can reveal an array of possibilities that many overlook, allowing artisans to capitalize on resources that might otherwise contribute to environmental degradation. Having identified the resources at hand, the next step involves envisioning how these materials can be transformed into desirable decor items. This process encourages a blend of imagination and practicality, requiring artisans to consider the aesthetics and functionality of their designs. Upcycling discarded materials can breathe new life into the creative process, inspiring unique interpretations that differentiate these pieces from mass-produced decor. The character inherent in reclaimed materials often enhances the final product. For example, a weathered plank from an old barn tells a story of time and weather, creating a sense of narrative that modern furniture lacks. Designers can leverage these narratives, using them as a unique selling proposition that appeals to consumers seeking authenticity and connection to the past. Once the initial design concepts are drafted, applying woodworking and finishing techniques can elevate the project, transforming raw discarded materials into refined decor. Craftsmanship is at the heart of this transformation, with artisans honing their skills to ensure each piece is both visually appealing and structurally sound. Techniques can range from simple assembly to more intricate joinery, allowing for both functionality and seamless design. For example, a simple set of shelves constructed from industrial pallet wood can be upgraded with elegant finishing touches such as sanding, staining, or painting, turning a basic structure into a chic, gallery-worthy piece. By mastering these techniques, crafters not only amplify the appearance of each creation, but also ensure its longevity and usability, enhancing the overall value. The finishing stage plays a crucial role in the journey of transforming discarded materials into marketable decor. The application of paints, stains, or natural oils can accentuate the intrinsic beauty of the wood or material, creating a polished look that elevates the design. Eco-friendly finishes resonate particularly well with conscious consumers, reflecting an ethos of sustainability that aligns with the overarching purpose behind the creation. For instance, utilizing non-toxic paints or natural stains can communicate a commitment to environmental responsibility, appealing to a growing market segment that values both aesthetics and ethics. This attention to detail not only beautifies the final product, but provides an added layer of significance, demonstrating the craftsman's dedication to quality and sustainability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Identifying a target audience is crucial as artisans embed their work within a specific market. Understanding consumer preferences involves recognizing trends in home decor and staying attuned to what resonates with buyers. Today's consumers are increasingly seeking unique, handmade items that tell a story, furniture and decor pieces that embody originality and reflect individual tastes. By creating a strong brand narrative around the repurposed nature of the materials used, artisans can forge connections with potential buyers who value sustainability and craftsmanship. By leveraging social media platforms, ensuring high-quality visuals, and sharing the story behind each product, crafters can cultivate an engaged community that appreciates the art of transformation and the philosophy of upcycling. The marketing of these handcrafted decor items should emphasize the dual focus on profit and purpose. Artisans can highlight how their work breaks away from conventional consumerism by presenting alternatives that align with modern values. Detailed descriptions accompanying each product can elaborate on the materials used and the transformation process, inviting customers to appreciate the depth of craftsmanship and thoughtfulness involved in each piece. By sharing personal experiences or the journey of their artistic endeavors, creators can further engage potential buyers, reinforcing the emotional connection that often drives purchasing decisions. This storytelling aspect can turn potential consumers into loyal advocates, drawn not only to the aesthetic appeal of the decor, but also to the broader mission of sustainability and creative reuse. As artisans establish their businesses, they may also consider avenues for collaboration and community engagement that enhance their market presence while reinforcing their commitment to purpose-driven design. Partnering with local businesses, artists, or sustainability initiatives creates opportunities for shared visibility and expanded outreach. Participating in craft fairs, pop-up markets, or eco-conscious events allows creators to showcase their work in person, fostering direct connections with customers. Engaging in workshops or community projects focused on upcycling can also create awareness and educate others about the beauty and potential of discarded materials. These collaborative efforts not only promote individual brands, but also contribute to a larger movement advocating for sustainable practices in design and craftsmanship. The profitability of designing decor from discarded materials lies not just in the aesthetic appeal, but also in the growing consumer demand for sustainable products. As the resonance of environmental awareness continues to grow, offerings that integrate creativity and sustainability are increasingly sought after. Consumers are more willing to invest in craftsmanship that is not only functional, but also embodies a sense of purpose. They appreciate the value of supporting artisans who contribute to eco-friendly movements, aligning their purchases with their personal values. Consequently, each piece crafted from discarded materials could potentially command a higher price, not merely due to the artistry involved, but also because of its connection to sustainable practices and ethical consumption. Ultimately, the journey of creating profitable, desirable decor from discarded materials is a celebration of innovation, responsibility, and the art of transformation. It begins with a simple yet profound challenge: to see potential where others see waste and to embrace the myriad possibilities that discarded materials hold. By pushing creative boundaries, artisans can design unique pieces that capture the human experience and connect with stories etched into the very fibers of the materials used. The emphasis on sustainable practices not only elevates individual creations, but also contributes to a broader conversation about mindful consumption and the impact of design on our environment. In the endeavor to craft decor from discarded materials aligns profit with purpose, showcasing that artistic creation can reflect consciousness and creativity simultaneously. By identifying overlooked resources, applying expert woodworking and finishing techniques, and marketing their work effectively, artisans can cultivate a niche that resonates deeply with consumers. This journey transforms artistry into advocacy, allowing each piece to spark a conversation that goes beyond aesthetic appeal, illuminating the potential of discarded materials and the importance of sustainability in the evolving landscape of design and decor. Through this fusion of art and ethics, the pursuit of crafting with intention becomes a catalyst for change and a testament to the power of creativity in bringing forth a more sustainable future. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, unique, marketable home decor pieces ideas by turning discarded materials. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.